What's going on, Comic Clan? Errol here, and I'm actually in my car about to start it up and ready to go and go home, but I just stopped by Now or Never Comics. You'll see that I did a video for them not too long ago, but every time I go in there, great vibes, great peeps, and if you're in the area, definitely go check them out, especially if you are gonna be in town next month for San Diego Comic-Con. Definitely stop by Now or Never Comics. Great place. 2 floors. Second floor has a bunch of toys and stuff like that, and lots of keys. Like, I love the way that's organized. It's not cluttered. It's not packed. He has it. Separated by first appearances, key issues, variants, cabinets with all the grails, CGCs, toys, video games, stickers. Damn, I forgot to go get stickers, but I gotta roll. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I got. Excuse the mess. This is how I'm gonna do the video. So check it out. I got for Vault 2 of Darth Vader. This is actually gonna complete my run. I got issue number 2. Oh, by the way, if you didn't see my other video, he has these stickers. So first appearance of Kirik Infala. That's probably why I couldn't find this anywhere. I had a first appearance. I just saw Godzilla, King of the Monsters, favorite Godzilla movie of the modern age. Sorry, Matthew Broderick, but this one trumped. You got Godzilla in US Comics, Godzilla, King of the Monsters, Marvel #1. Wow, I just realized that the camera is backwards. Sorry. Pet peeve of some peeps. And then I got War is Hell #9. I've been actually looking for this ever since the reprint came out. First appearance of Death. Yes, classic cover. Fair prices. I think they're actually the best prices in town, if you ask me. No, I'm not a paid sponsor. Nobody told me to say that, but it's true. Oh yeah, and paper bags are way better than plastic bags when carrying comics, especially if they're not bagged and boarded. Yes, so that's all I got. I got some flyers. What's in here? Yeah, and he's got like games, like if you play Magic and stuff like that. Book signings. Follow them on on social media, Instagram, Facebook. I'll put those in the link below. Wow, I guess this is my video for tomorrow, Monday. But yeah, it's been a fantastic Sunday. Oh, and by the way, Hodad's is right there, and go ahead and get some grub before, after. Probably afters. You don't want to get like grease all over the comics. But yeah, that's all I got. I got to get on the road. This is High Road Comics, and I'll see you at the next stop.